Okay, hello everyone, I am King Me. Today we're going to open a unboxing of Huawei Pura80. Okay, let's put the phone aside for now and take a look at the accessories inside. A card pin, quickly protect the tissue. There's another one. 2 clear water shells. Then look at this charger. It is still as small as before. There are only 2, very small. Look at the power. That is our 66 watt fast charging head. It is still very small, very small. Okay, let's take a look at the device now. This Pura80 is the same as the previous Pura70 and both have a straight screen design. It is 6.6 inches in size and the corner transition is better than the previous generation. It feels less uncomfortable when you hold it in your hand and its overall lines are very smooth. This is a 50 megapixel ultra wide angle main camera and this is our 13 megapixel wide angle lens. And this is a 12 megapixel periscope telephoto lens which supports 5.5 times optical zoom, and the front camera is 13 megapixel. There is a point that I didn't notice just now, that is, we can see that its logo this time is not liquefied, but it uses something like laser printing to knock off part of our frosting to form our logo. But this time the X Magic is not on our vein but on our body, which is the same as our Huawei logo. In this way, if we look at the entire phone, its lens and other aspects will be better overall. And the frame is also the same as the 80, using this better metal frame. Now let's turn it on. I think I got the same model of Pura80. Let's take a look at the system. Harmony OS is also Harmony OS 5.1 system on the board.
The Huawei Pura80 is powered by the Kirin 9010S and not a Kirin 9020 like the Pura80 Pro Plus and Pura80 Ultra. The original Kirin 9010 has an octa-core Taishan CPU with hyper-threading and a Maliun 910 GPU. Pura80 will be available in 4 colors: Velvet Gold, Velvet Green, Velvet White, and Velvet Black. The price is set for 12GB 256 ROAD, 5,599 yen, which is $780 for global market. The one on my left is the Pura70, and the one on my right is the new Pura80. The back panel material of the Pura80 has been upgraded from the original frosted back panel to a velvet back panel, which feels more delicate. The frame material has been upgraded from the original glossy frame to a brushed metal frame, which is less likely to get fingerprints. Compared with the Pura70, the Pura80 not only has the same personalized color card function as the Pura80 Ultra in terms of imaging, but also has iris imaging. In terms of system, the Pura80 is equipped with the latest Iris 5.1 system. Compared with the Pura70, the Pura80 has stronger performance and a 50% improvement in chips.